And this is the part 2 for translation of beads to numbers. And in this I will also, like in last video I told a very few double digit numbers. So similarly, double digit numbers, I'll finish this PDF and give it to you, because explaining like if I teach each double digit it will be like a time waste, and I don't think so it's useful. If your children can solve those worksheets, it will be really helpful for them. So I would suggest you students to solve them. Like for example, let me do some tough ones. And also, if you have any doubts in those PDFs or something, you can always ask me or ping me back. Okay. First it is, like for example, let's take 89. How to do 89? 89 means 8 is in your tens place. Just you need to write it first. 89 means 9 is in your ones place, 8 is in your tens place. So a tens place 8 means this. Use your left hand and bring these two together like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. And ones place 9. Movement is this, movement is this, and you need to do it like this. This is your 89. So similarly, we have another exercise. This exercise was translation of beads to numbers. We have another exercise which says translation of numbers to beads. But before that, um, I have another thing, like 3-digit numbers. If the number given to you is 414, 414, 400 and, sorry, 840. So ones, tens and hundreds. Hundreds place is this one. So bring 8 in hundreds place. In tens place there is 1, and in ones place it's 4. 8, 1, 4. This is how you will do it. Okay. 8, 1, 4. So general mistake which students make is when they do it fast in a hurry, what they do is they count it like this is 8, they count it 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So they write it 4, 1, 4. That's a blunder. Whenever an upper bead is included, remember the value of the upper bead is 5. Is 5. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So this total is 8, 1, 4. Okay. So that's how you need to do. So I'll give you exercises based on this single digits, this 2 digits, and this hundreds place one also. And this exercise is really important for you to get into abacus, so that this exercise, it really helps in developing visualization. So I suggest strongly to solve these things. Okay. And next exercise will be about translation of numbers to beads. So in numbers to beads, what we'll do is we'll directly give numbers, and your child has to draw that on paper. So now you do not give tool to your tool. For example, if I'm doing this, let me take a pen so that it will be visible, or I hope this is visible. I'll write a bit dark. Let's take a number 16. Okay. So I have given 16 and I'm asking you to draw. What is the benefit of drawing the beads? See, benefit of drawing is they will, without seeing the abacus tool, they should be able to draw. Like seeing a number, they should get a picture of how it will look in the abacus. See, previous exercise was they saw this picture and then they got an idea of what to write. They counted it like 1, 2, this is 2, and this is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 8. They counted it and they wrote. And now it should be reversed, like they should see this and they should get this image in mind. So that is a bit difficult, and it will make your child thorough. So this is 16, and for 16 again draw a abacus tool, and this is your units place. So just think it in your mind that this is ones and this is tens, and you need to make 6 first. 6 means one upper bead 5 and one lower bead 6, and 1 means in that is in the tens place. So in tens place make 1. So this is your 16. Like that, we'll make many things. Like for example, let us take another example, say 71. And for 71, we'll again make this. This is your units place. This is 1 is in units place and 7 is in your tens place. So 1, make 1 here, and 7. How will you make 7? 5, 6, 7. So this is 71. So I will give again a PDF of this full of questions. Take a Xerox or just look at it and make your I would suggest all the students to solve them so that you will at least get a very good idea. You will be max almost thorough with solving these things. So in today's video, let us move on to addition. Okay, and addition and subtraction without formula. So today I will only teach you addition. I will give you a set of questions and I will keep solving them also with you. But I will also give you a PDF. Once you are done with the class, again, so go and solve the PDF again. Okay, so the questions are, let me write a few questions here. 1 second. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. It's all about addition, okay? I'm writing it here roughly and I will send you the PDFs which have a very clear notes of all these things. So, let's get started. I'll solve 10 sums and again I will in the PDF I'll give you 20 sums. So excluding from these 10, practice those 20 sums. I guarantee you you'll be a master in abacus very soon. It will be really on your tips. Okay, so let's solve the first question which says 1 plus 2 plus 1. How to solve it? 1. 1 means lower bead. Bring one bead up. 1. Plus 2 means bring two beads together. 1, 2. Lift these two together. 2. And again 1. So just lift this one. So what is your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. How did I do it once again? Let me show closely. This is your clear abacus. Now your first digit is 1. Use your thumb and just add it. 1. Now next one is 2. Since 2 is given, you need to bring the two digits together, two beads together. So add 2. 1, 2 is done. Next one is 1. So again using your thumb, just add it. Move it towards the value bar. So count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Okay. I'm teaching it slowly so that it will be beneficial for beginners also. And now if you are really good at abacus, you just want to you're grasping very soon, then you can forward the video at you can watch it at speed of 1.5 or 1.75 as per your speed. But I am teaching slowly so that everyone should be able to follow, even the beginners who have no idea about abacus. Now 1 plus 1 plus 2. First 1, then again 1. Now plus 2 means two digits together. This is your 4. How did you say 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your 4. Now we have another one. If any time, see how I'm doing. If any time your abacus gets bad, then just whoosh, clear it. Now again hold this, hold this, hold this. 2. First digit is 2, means bring 2 together. Then 1. Then again add 1. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now write 4. Now also keep focusing on my hand movements. 1. Add 1. 1 plus 2 means add, push 2 beads using your thumb together. So push 2 beads. Done. Then he is asking 5. What did I tell you? Whenever you, the value 5 means you have to bring it from the upper bead. This is one thing. And next thing is, whenever you bring upper bead, you use your index finger. So how will you add 5? Like this. So what is your answer? 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8, but let me show you once again. This is 1. Add 2 means bringing 2 beads with thumb. 2. Then 5. Using your index finger to bring the upper bead down. This is your 5. And the answer is 8. How? 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope that's clear. And then you have another question which says 2. Then you are adding 1. Then you are adding 5. So again the answer is 8. I will give you worksheets to solve so that you will get thorough with it. So basically this is a very simple addition in which there is no need of formulas. Everything is happening just in the your one's place. I am doing this so that you will, like, you need to pick up pace slowly. First you need to finish those two PDFs, translation of numbers to beads and beads to numbers. After those two PDFs you need to solve this addition one without formula, and then we will go to subtraction. There are levels. We will slowly level up. Okay, let's try another problem now, which includes addition of 4 numbers. So let's go for it. 1, 1, 5, 1. Let's find out the answer. 1, again 1. Interesting. 5. For 5 you need to push the upper bead downwards, and now again 1. So the answer is 5, 6, 7, 8. So you get an answer 8. Clear this. Next you have 1, 5, 2, 1. 1, 5, 2, 1. Now come on, let's get started. This is 1. Then we have 5. For 5 you will use your index finger. Then you have 2 again. So use your thumb to bring 2 beads upwards. Then 1. So again use your thumb. So what's your answer? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9. So once you gain speed, how will you solve these things? See, for these calculations, you will, once you are pro at ABACUS, you won't even need the tool. But up till some stages, there are total 13 levels. So in first, now we are in 1A level. So in 1A level, you will have to use the tool. Like complete 1A level, you will have to use the tool. So it goes like 1, 5, 2, 1, 9. Again, let's calculate the side one. 1, 1, 5, 1. So you'll be like, yes, when you read the question also, this is a very important thing. Never solve it like 1, then again go to see the question, then 1, then again see the question, then 5. For explaining purpose I am doing it, but whenever you solve the question, you should remember all 3 digits. Like if you are solving this one, remember like 1, 1, 2. And you'll be like 1, 1, 2. This is how you add it. If you're doing the next one, it is 2, 1, 1. So at a time you should remember, see it and solve it. You should not like break every time, like see one digit and do, see one digit and do. If you do that, your concentration will deviate after every step, and sometimes you may miss the number also. So that's why we tell you to remember at a stretch. 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Answer is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you start practicing, you will gain the speed. 1, 2, 5. It's 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 4 digits. 1, 1, 5, 1. Let's do it. 1, 1, 5, 1. Answer is 8. Let's do another 4-digit one. For example, the question is 2151. Let's do it. 2151. That's it. So that's how you do it. How? 21. I hope it's visible. 2151. Okay. For bringing upper beads, use your index finger. For lower ones, use your thumb. That's it. Now, let's do subtraction. And for subtraction also, remember a very important thing. The thing is, whenever you subtract a thing, always use index finger to remove that bead. I'll also tell you the hand movements. So, basically, whenever you remove a bead or do something, you should be like this sharp edges to the beads, you should use them to move. You should not go into the bead like this, because if you go into the bead like this, you might disturb the other beads also. But if you just touch the edge, then you will only remove the bead which you want to remove. Okay, now let's go into subtraction. Okay, for subtraction I have some questions like 1 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 1, some 2 2 minus 2, 5 4 minus 1, or we have 1 2 minus 1 and 2, or we have 3 minus 1 2 and 5. Okay, now let's get started. Now for cleaning it, we clean it first. Yes. Now, 1 plus 1 but minus 1. That's your question. So, 1. Again you have 1 minus 1. For subtraction, use your index finger and remove it. Minus 1 means going up is adding, coming down is subtracting. So, your question 1, 1 minus 1. So, your answer is 1. Awesome. Now we'll do another question. 2 1 minus 1. 2 1 means again 1 bead up. Minus 1 means removing 1 bead. So your answer is 2. Then you have 2 2 minus 2. So it's 2. Again you have to add 2 beads 2. Then you are asking for minus 1. Then using your index finger remove 1 bead. Exactly. So the answer is 1 2 3. 3. See, reading these beads, the previous exercise of translation of beads into numbers would be useful to read these things to write the answer. That's why if you are thorough in that, you will be thorough here. Everything is interlinked, so please do solve all the PDFs. Then you have 5 4. 4 means take all the 4 beads together, and then minus 1 means remove 1 bead using your index finger. Remove this bead. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. What is your answer? 8. Now we are going to 4 rows. So the question is 1, 2 minus 1, 2. 1, 2 means take 2 beads up together. Minus 1 means remove 1 bead. Now again take 2 beads up. 2. 1, 2 minus 1, 2. What is your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Now next question. 3. 3 minus 1, 2 and 5. So 3, take 3 beads together up. Minus 1, remove 1 bead using your index finger. Then 2, add 2. Then 5, bring that upper bead. What is your answer? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is your answer. And in this video, I am touching this pencil to these beads, but do not touch it. It's not like you should not do it. the basic rule is like when you touch these beads, sometimes these may move. Like for example, I did this and I suddenly moved down. But the answer is 9. But since I touched my pencil here, by mistake a bead moved down and I got the answer 8 and I can write 8, which is a mistake. So it's generally asked to not to touch the beads with any other object because it might cause errors. So this is all about subtraction. I'll again give you a PDF related to this. Please do try to solve it, and I hope you enjoy it and you're finding it helpful. Thank you for watching my channel, and if you find this content helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. It really means a lot. Thank you.